Hello, welcome back to Crafting with Movie Designs. In this video, I'm going to show you how to trace this image like 3 ways in Silhouette Studio. I'm working in Silhouette Studio Business Edition. I believe that you can also do this in Designer Edition and also in Basic Edition. Okay, you see my image sheet has a white background and it will be faster to trace because of the white background, and the tracing will only catch the image. The background will be left. Also, this image was generated by me through AI. You This is one of the ways, one of the kind of images that I do in AI. I design also human beings, little girls, little boys, men, women in different kind of colors and everything, mock up and all that. So if you want to learn how to do all that, learn how to design images, how to create prompts and all that, you can take my class. I will leave the link in the description below. And also, if you want to learn how to design these and sell them on Etsy or on your website, you can also take my class. And also check down here on my channel where I have where I show you how to create things like notebook covers in Canva, in the free version of Canva. Okay, so we're going to start. I'm going to select my work and I look for the trace panel. You can find it here. You can hover over it. It's right here. The fifth one. If you don't know, you go here to panels and you can select it, and then you find the word trace right here, and here it is. Okay, the trace panel. We're going to use the butterfly. I think it's a butterfly. We're going to use the butterfly here. I will select it, and then I get a small plus right here, and I'm going to stand in the corner and I will drag it over my design, cover it all, and then you see it becomes to trace it. You see it trace the darkest part, and it's here on 45. I want to trace only the black inside, the darker part. So I'm going to go down. I'm going to decrease my threshold. I want the most important parts, like you see, like the mouth, the teeth. I want the most important part, like I said. Don't go too far. I think here is good. Okay. I think here is good. Let me see. Okay. 70. Oh, no, no, no. I don't want to lose the tongue. Yeah. I think here is good. And I'm going to trace here. Like when you make an SVG, you can do this. You trace with this one. Okay. When you trace a work to make a SVG out of it. So I have this right here, and I'm going to fill the color with black. And you see the faces coming out really well. I'm going to take the red line out. And you see how cute it is. It came out really well. Ooh, I have the teeth there too. Now I'm going to trace it again. I'll go to here again, and I'm going to select everything again. Okay. Okay, now we're going to increase our threshold. I'm going to increase it until, yeah, most of it is filled. And I'm going to trace outer image. Okay. I want the outline of the outer edge. Only the edge I want to be traced. You see it? Select this one. Okay. And then I'm going to remove my work. This is what I wanted, the outer image, outer edge. And then I'm going to fill it in. Let's fill it in with white. Okay, put it here. And I'm going to duplicate this one really quick. And now I want to remove the background from this one. So I want to remove the background. We trace this one with this one. We trace outer edge with this one. And now I want to trace and detach. I want to trace it and detach the background from it. Okay. So I'm going to select my work. I'm going to choose this again. Select everything. And then I want this one. Okay, but I'm not gonna select it yet. I'll go to my threshold, and I will run it up to almost 100. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna run it up to there, and then I will select trace and detach. I want it to detach the background for me. Okay, let's see what we have. I will remove the background and I'll delete it. I mean, yeah, and it traces it for me. So nice. You see that? Okay, this was easy to do because I had a white background, like I said before. Okay, so let's match our work. I'm going to put these two together. I'll send the white to the back. Okay, and then I'll remove the red stroke. Let's go in and see what we can do. Okay, I will select both, and then I'll use center to center them. And still the white is out here. So I'll select the black and I'll move it with my arrow to the west. Okay. I missed the whole part here. I never saw that. I missed the whole part here. So I'm going to trace it again. I never saw that I missed the whole part there. We did trace with this one trace here. Okay, let me bring my threshold down. I need the tongue to come out. Come on now. Okay. Okay, I think here is good. Okay. Trace this one. Okay. Yeah. Let's make it black. And then take the stroke out. Okay, let's remove this. Oh, it was in two pieces. Oh, I didn't know that it happened. So we're going to use this one right here. Yep. So if you have a picture, a clear picture, you can trace it like this too. Let's go in here really quick. And then I'll move it with my arrow. Okay, I love it. So we have traced this image three ways. One, we have removed the background and we still have the image left. One, we have traced the most important parts inside and we've got this. And this we have traced around straight trace outer edge. So this is trace, the first one, this one here. This is trace outer edge, and this is trace and detach. When your work has a white background, it will be easier to do. One of those things too, let me throw this in. If you have an image and it's hard for you to get a background off, you can go to remove.bg and remove the background and bring it back in here and start with the second process. No, the first process and start with doing this one and you will get the same result. And then you go back and you do this one. Okay, thank you all so much for watching and let me know in the comment section if this helped you. And don't forget, if you want to learn how to design AI images to sell on Etsy and your Shopify, I will leave the link below in the comment section and the description, and you can join us. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.